On the evening of Thursday, July 26, 2018, a severe thunderstorm hit central New Mexico that produced a flash flood near San Felipe Pueblo, north of Bernalillo. The flood at one point overfilled an arroyo and flooded the NMRX mainline, washing out a bridge and moving the tracks out of place. Repairs took place the next day, but would hold up the line for Railrunner commuter trains headed to Santa Fe and also for Amtrak trains 3 and 4. It was announced that Train 4 would turn around in Albuquerque and later become Train 3. Same thing with Train 3 becoming Train 4 in Lamy. The afternoon of Friday, July 27th found me at the Alvarado Transportation Center in downtown Albuquerque as my camera is set up to see the train turn around on the Y south of town. After getting a little info, I head south to Woodward Road. Before Amtrak came, a Railrunner passed. On this day, Railrunner service was running between Bernalillo and Belen. A short time later, Amtrak shows up in reverse. Today's Train 4 featured a private dome car and an extra dining car, both on the rear of the train. Moving south about half a mile, I set up on the side of 2nd Street as the train sits next to the switch that'll take it into the Y so it can turn around. Here, the train stops and goes several times, so this gave me a chance to move the camera for more angles. Moving to Broadway Boulevard, the train still stops and goes very slowly. It briefly stops at the edge of the crossing to let the gates close, and then proceeds and stops in the middle of the crossing for a few minutes and then begins to reverse. Moving back to the Alvarado Transportation Center, we catch a few more trains, including another local and a Railrunner train. After getting clearance to proceed into the station, the train backs into the station. As it does, a thunderstorm begins to roll in. It goes onto track 3 so it doesn't block traffic, since it'll have to wait a little while for train 3 in Lamy to arrive and for the passengers on board to be transported to Albuquerque. On the way out, we see yet another local and another Railrunner train, which wrap up my afternoon here. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, I'm Cameraman Railfan. I'll see you later.